Shall I play the music?
Yes, please. एक ताली. दो ताली.
सोना ठकड़ी रे केसर घोड़ा वाला मिया. लीलो ते रंग नो छोड़ रंग मां घोड़ा वाला मिया. लीलो ते रंग नो छोड़ रंग मां घोड़ा वाला मिया. पग पग मारे कदला सोइए वाला मिया. कामिनी को बेतारे छोड़ रंग मां घोड़ा वाला मिया. कामिनी को बेतारे छोड़ रंग मां घोड़ा वाला मिया.
Sorry.
Super. I'll just grab a drink. Bear with me. I hope you all practiced all steps we learned. I did ek tali, do tali, teen tali, char tali, and then the 6-step garba. Again, I did some variations today. You all can do your own choreographed steps, not a problem. Yeah, so shall we go on to Dandiya and then you want to take Sonam or you want to take your Bollywood now?
Anything is fine.
Okay, then we'll do Dandiya
Okay.
first and then we'll go on to the Bollywood dance that you are choreographing.
Yes.
Okay, so again, the steps are going to be the same. If you are if we want to maintain social distancing while we are playing in a group and we are playing in a circle, then the ek tali is going to work for us. So like we do the ek tali, instead of doing the tali, we'll do the dandiya. So it will be like 1, 2, 3, turn. So you turn, okay? Then again 1, 2, 3, and turn. So you can turn like that in a circle. You can do that. You can do do tali with this. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So again, I'll show you. It will be 1. So it will be opposite leg. You bend towards the opposite side. Then it will be 2. And then you turn. You go inside the circle and outside the circle. Okay. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you're doing 3 and 4, it's just right, left, right, front, left, back, right, front, left, back. When you're doing sideways, it's right, out, jump, left, out, jump, right, out, jump, left, out, jump. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm tapping. When I'm going forward, see, 1, 2, I'm tapping my right leg, then tapping my left leg behind. So I'm tapping my right leg in the front, then I'm tapping my left leg at the back. Okay, then there can be another step, another variation. So if you want to sit down or you want to stand, it's up to you. So we do 1, 2. So if your partner is in the front, so you go opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sit down. 5, 6. Turn and come back. Okay. Again I'm doing right tap, left tap, right tap, left tap. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Touch your dandiyas to the ground and turn. Okay, ready everyone? Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap, turn, stop. Let us do on the song. Sonam has put the song on. So let's do on the song. So first one. Ready? Go. 1 and down. 1 and down. 1 and down. 1 and down. Now the second one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if your partner is standing opposite you, then you cross. So you go this way, your partner goes this way. You go that way, your partner goes this way. 2, 3, 4. Tap. Turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the whole step. Okay. There is another variation. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap. 2, 3, 4. So in this you can go like this as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then with the left leg. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's do it on music. Sonam, can you increase the volume, please? Because it's quite low.
Okay.
And I'll check how everybody is coping up with. Can't see Sonam. Okay, carry on. Very good, Pavitra. Very good, Veena. Very nice. Very good. Shikha, Sonal and Sarah. Nice. Snehal is also doing well. I think I have to. Yeah, you can see Sonam now. Lovely ladies, carry on. Okay, can we stop the music, please? Very nice. Keep practicing all these steps because we're going to do it in the next finale one, face to face. It's going to be fun that time. There is another one now. We'll try to keep distance, but supposing you have a partner in the front, okay? So you played with the partner keeping 1 meter distance. So you played. So if you are with your right hand, the partner has his right hand, so it will be opposite. You can't play with the right and left hand and right and left hand. Yeah. So no, sorry. It will be the partner's left hand. You can't play with the same hands. Okay. So it will be opposite hands if you have a partner. So when you're playing with the partner, it will be 1, 2. Then you have to change your place. So your hands are like this. Your partner's hands are like this. So you tap your partner's dandiya, go tap here, or you can do one more thing. You tap here and tap up, and then you change your place. You come here, your partner goes there. Okay, so you play with your partner. First is 1. Always you start with tapping your dandiya first. So you tap, then 1, 2, okay, then 3, 4, and you turn, and your partner goes there. Then again 1, 2, 3, you tap here, and you come back to your place. This we will do it there, and you will have a very good idea. But you can practice with your better halves at home. Try with your husbands if you can. But this looks very elegant when you tap. So 1, 2, 3, tap, tap, and turn. The other thing is 1, 2, 3. Then you tap, and you tap the below one, and then you turn. So anyone is used for turning. Usually if you're all just playing in twos, then it's very boring. Just keep on playing this way. You need to turn and change the place. That is the reason this middle step is choreographed, to change your places. Then some people also play with 2, but again it has to be opposite side. So if you're holding it this way, your partner will hold it this way. So you will avoid hitting on your fingers. If you both are hitting this way, if both your partners and your stick is facing the same angle, then it tends to hit your fingers. Don't hit the dandiya pura jor laga ke, don't do it. Don't give it all your strength. It has to be very elegantly done, so you do not fracture somebody's fingers, and don't so remember, very gently you have to do it. Does not matter if it doesn't hit the other dandiya. And now, according to the social distancing thing, we don't want the dandiyas to hit. So we're just going to do that, and then we're going to turn and going to change place. So if my partner is standing here, I'll do 1, 2, turn, change, place. Tap, 2, 3, turn, change, place. Okay, let's try to do on music. I hope everybody got it. Ready? Sonam, ready?
Yes.
Please play the music. Can we have a fast music on the for Dandiya, Sonam?
Yes.
Dandiya music.
Dandiya.
एक दांडिया म्यूजिक भी था.
Okay. Was it?
नहीं, फास्ट वाला चाहिए. कोई भी YouTube पे ढूंढ ले. Okay, this will do for now. Ready? Start. Let me see how you are coping up with.
Is this song okay?
Just again, it's up to you what step you want to do. Make sure your partner understands on the day what you are dancing, otherwise what the steps are. So usually when you dance in a bigger circle, it's just single dandiya, tap, opposite hand, tap, hit, and to the next person. But when only you two are dancing, then you decide what steps you want to do and then carry on from there. Go on then, please. Please carry on. Very nice, Sara. Very good, Pavitra. Very good, Meena. Very good, Sonal. Very nice, Nehal. Very good, Shikha. Very good, Sonal. Lovely. Keep practicing. Lovely. Very good. Can we stop, please? Thank you, Sonam. Practice all these steps. Send me your videos. All those who cannot even make for the workshop is fine. Make a solo video of yourself dancing on any song with Garba or Dandiya, and we will include that in our video that we are going to make. I want a landscape one. So you hold your mobile in a landscape position and then make the video. Do not put it on selfie mode. Ask somebody to record it for you. That looks good when we compile it, and it's easy for us then. So you don't have a mirror image. And over to you, Sonam, sorry.
Okay. Okay. So since we did Dandiya, I'm just going to show you a quick way how Dandiyas can be used if you're dancing solo on some song, and then we will move to the Nagarsan choreography. Bear with me. Okay, sorry about that.
It's okay. Lovely.
So basically, you can do your normal dance just with the dandiya. So you have to keep on doing your normal steps. Gori Sharmae, Man Mein Muskaye. And then for Shehnai, you can just join your dandiyas and do like a Shehnai. So that's just like the normal Garba steps, but with dandiya. So dandiya will be a prop, basically. Okay, moving on to Nagar Sang. Today we'll be doing the actual choreography. Like we'll be doing some set steps which we have done before, but we'll be following a routine for that now. So just what we did last time. So 1, 2, 3, 4. पैरों में बीड़ी. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then ढोल बाजे, ढोल बाजे. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump. Okay. So that's about it. We'll be repeating it whenever for the 2 stanzas. Okay. So hopefully it was clear. The second version, the second stanza is similar. 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, we are taking a circle. Just let me know if you're confused with anything, but it's basically
I think we understand.
Huh?
They're following. I can
Yeah.
see them dancing.
Okay, good. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are going to take a circle. It's easier to dance with the music. So basically, we are just doing 3-4 steps and we are just doing the variation of that. We'll be doing this. We'll be doing this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we'll be doing this step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So since we have short time, So that's why we are going to be repeating our steps. We'll be doing the similar steps whenever the same stanza is there. After this, we have seen last time the sitting wala step. So for the slow music, I'm going to play the slow part again. Better. Okay, let's do this once more from the beginning.
Super. Nice.
So that's it. Basically, we just have to do the garba. If we know the garba steps, we can do on any Bollywood song.
So practice, practice, practice. Practice this Naga